If you're a sharer or company looking for a property for your sharers, then listen up. Property behind me above the shop is a fully furnished 4-bedroom apartment, modern, fresh, move-in ready. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Hopefully you've enjoyed the tour of this property. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, or if indeed you'd like a valuation of your rental property, please do get in touch.